Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a powerhouse of nutrition? Today, I'm diving into some golden tips from the Indian Council of Medical Research, or ICMR, which are designed to boost the nutritional value of your home-cooked meals. First up, let's talk about cooking oils. Did you know the type of oil you use can make a huge difference in your health? ICMR recommends using oils that are high in unsaturated fats, like olive or canola oil, because they are heart-healthy. So, next time you're in the kitchen, think about switching up your oil game for a better heart. Next, we're tackling the spice rack. Spices aren't just about adding flavor, they're packed with antioxidants and medicinal properties. For instance, turmeric with its active compound curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your dishes not only spices them up, but also gives your immune system a nice little boost. Now let's not forget about cooking methods. The way you cook your food can significantly affect its nutritional content. The ICMR guidelines suggest steaming or grilling vegetables rather than frying. So why not grill some veggies for dinner tonight? Not only is it healthier, but it also brings out those delicious natural flavors. Portion control is another crucial aspect. It's easy to overeat when the food is just that tasty, right? But controlling your portions ensures that you get the right amount of nutrients without overloading on calories. A useful tip is to use smaller plates while serving your meals. It's a simple trick, but it helps you eat less without even noticing. And lastly, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. Incorporating a variety of food groups in your meals ensures that you get a balanced mix of essential nutrients. Make sure your plate has a good balance of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and plenty of fruits and veggies. This not only keeps your meals interesting, but also covers all your nutritional bases. So there you have it. A few simple yet effective tips from the ICMR to make every meal you cook a nutritional powerhouse. Start incorporating these tips into your daily cooking routine, and I guarantee you'll feel the difference in your energy levels and overall health. Remember, it's not just about eating healthy, it's about making informed choices that benefit your body and mind. So take these tips, get creative in the kitchen, and start your journey toward a healthier you today. Thanks for tuning in, and stay healthy, everyone.